A very warm good afternoon to everyone. I am Belisha Vastola and today I'll be presenting on the topic SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. So in today's presentation, I'll be covering the part like introduction, propose, key components, case study, and lastly the conclusion. So moving towards the introduction part. So at first let me introduce what exactly is SEO. Search engine optimization is a set of techniques used to improve our website's visibility in search of engine results, particularly on platforms like Google, and its goal is to rank higher in those results so more people can find you organically, meaning without paying for advertising. So now let me talk about purpose of SEO. So the real purpose of SEO is just like increasing clicks. It's about attracting relevant, targeted traffic people who are actively searching for what you offer. Effective SEO also helps to build credibility, trust, and ensures that users have a smooth, intuitive experience when they visit your site. Now, moving towards the next slide, let me talk about how search engine works. So basically to understand how SEO works, it helps to know how search engine function. Basically, there are three steps, that is crawl, index and rank. Search engine uses bots to crawl web pages, scanning content across the internet. Then they index that information, organizing and storing it. Finally, they rank pages using algorithms based on things like keyword relevance, content quality, backlinks, and user engagement signals. Now, moving towards the next slide, I'll be talking about the key components of SEO. Simply, SEO can be broken down into three key areas, that is, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. All of these work together and at the center of all its content. Good content fuels keyword targeting, attracts backlinks, and supports usability and performance. So now talking about each of them in brief. Firstly, on-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to everything you control directly on your website. That includes using the right keywords, writing clear and compelling meta titles and descriptions, organizing content with the proper headings, and creating internal links between related pages. Even image, all text plays a role helping both users and search engines understand your content. Now, talking about off-page SEO. Off-page SEO focuses on building your site's authority and reputation externally. One of the most important aspects is backlinking, when other reputable websites link to your content. Other tactics include social media sharing, guest blogging, influencer outreach, and so on. Now, I'll be talking about technical SEO. Technical SEO deals with how well your website performs and how easily search engines can crawl and index. Key factors include site speed, mobile friendliness, HTTPS security, a clean URL structure, and so on. If your site loads slowly or isn't optimized for mobile, it can negatively affect your ranking, even if your content is excellent. Now, moving towards the next part, that is, content is central to all. Across every type of SEO, on page, off page, or technical content remains at the core. From keywords to metadata to backlinks and shares. Everything starts with relevant, high quality content. If your content provides real value, it naturally attracts traffic, links, and engagement. So, for the clear understanding, I have presented here a short case study about Moz.com, that how SEO dropped 50% more traffic for Moz.com. Now, let's look at a real world example. Moose.com, a leader in SEO tools. Even as an expert in the field, Moose saw that their organic traffic had declined and their older blog content was not performing well. It took data driven approach, starting with keyword research to find high volume, low competition terms. They optimized existing blog posts, improved internal linking, and updated older content to reflect current best practices. As a result, what happened? So, as a result, they experienced a 50% increases in organic traffic within 6 months, improved ranking for over 200 keywords, and a better engagement, including lower bounce rates and longer session durations. This shows how auditing and optimizing existing content can be just as impactful as creating new content from scratch. So moving towards the conclusion part, to conclude, SEO is an essential part of any online strategy. It's not a quick fix but a long term investment that pays off in visibility, trust, and growth. Always put your users first and let search engine follow. And since SEO is constantly evolving, it's important to stay informed and keep learning. So these are the reference. So thank you for listening.